Great news for those who want to move to Canada. In this video, we will be talking about an online job fair for province of Newfoundland and Labrador. I want to mention that this is a brilliant opportunity to get a job in Canada without an LMIA. The province of Newfoundland and Labrador has labor shortage, so province wants to host job fair online for international candidates to fill vacancies that cannot be filled locally. Very important to note that job fairs are free of cost. Let's understand who can attend or register for these job fairs. Whether you live in Africa, Europe, Central Asia, South Asia, Southeast Asia, East Asia, Middle East, or America, you can participate in this virtual job fair from anywhere in the world. This job fair has a total of 5 events, but one event has already been happened in 20th September 2023, but there will be 4 more job fairs which will be held on October 25th and November 16th of 2023 and January 24th and March 27th of 2024. What's good about these job fairs is that they're completely free, and you'll receive direct access to Canadian employers that are hiring foreign workers in your field. The registration process is really easy, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can complete your registration. In this video, I'm going to tell you all details about the virtual job fair and who can apply for it. Reasons to move to Newfoundland and Labrador. When will these job fairs held? If your family members can join you, how these job fairs help you get Canadian jobs from outside of Canada, and a demonstration on how to register for these job fairs as well, so do watch the video till the end. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Can Visa Pathway. I show people how to save their money and immigrate to Canada without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. If you are coming to our channel for the very first time, then please consider subscribing. Let's discuss what are these virtual job fairs and their purpose. If you have any question about this whole process, then leave a comment in comment box and I will try best to reply. You can also follow us on Instagram. Let's discuss what are these virtual job fairs and purpose. These job fairs will help you to virtually meet potential employers in Canada, and you can also share your resume or CV with them. There are even chances that you can even get hired right away. You will have the opportunity to connect with potential employers and upload your resume for their review. Additionally, you can engage in live video conversations with immigration officers who will guide you through the immigration process for Newfoundland and Labrador. During virtual job fair, you can learn and even ask questions about what it is like to live in Newfoundland and Labrador in terms of cost of living, lifestyle, jobs, salaries, population size, and much more. Employers on job fairs have been officially appointed by the Government of Canada, and their main focus is to bring skilled workers from all over the world to their province. All the services offered at these job fairs are entirely free, including registration. This is excellent news for individuals seeking job opportunities in Canada. If selected, you'll quickly receive a work permit to work in Canada, and then you can apply for permanent residency through the Canadian Experience Class of Express Entry program. If you have any further permanent residency related queries, or if you need information on any of the immigration programs, you can ask all of these queries directly during the live sessions, or you can directly email them on attraction@gov.nl.ca and you'll get a response shortly. Remember that for all of these services, you don't have to pay any money at all, and all these services are completely free, of course, so you absolutely should not let go of this opportunity. Before we discuss dates and locations of these job fairs, let's discuss what advantages are if you are considering to move to Newfoundland and Labrador. According to statistics of 2022, Newfoundland and Labrador was found to be Canada's happiest province. It is one of top 5 safest provinces of Canada, and it is very peaceful. This province has a low cost of living as compared to other provinces of Canada. Recently, on October 1st, 2023, The minimum wage for all workers has been increased to $15 per hour from $14.50 per hour. Apart from this, the province has great public education, healthcare systems, and world-class institutes. It is much easier to get your PR in these provinces because all the Atlantic provinces have lower requirements compared to other provinces. Now, coming to the job fair dates, times, and location where these virtual job fairs will be held. The first upcoming virtual job fair is going to be held on October 25th, 2023 for Africa at 6 p.m. West Africa time. The next offer is going to be held on November 16th, 2023 for countries in Europe and Central Asia at 7 p.m. Irish Standard Time, followed by January 2024 for the Middle East and South Asia at 6 p.m. Gulf Standard Time. And the last one is going to be held on March 27th, 2024 for America at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can register for your virtual job fair at any time. I will show you in detail how to register for this job fair. Believe me, it is very easy to register for the job fair. But remember that the earlier you register will be better for you. Let's discuss who can move with you to Canada. Your spouse and dependent children will be included in your applications for a temporary work permit and permanent residency, which means that your spouse can even begin working with you in Canada, and your children will be given student or visitor permits. Then you decide to apply for permanent residence. Everyone can apply together as well. Now let's see how you can apply for these immigration and job fairs. So let's go to official website, which I have provided a link in description box. To register, scroll down and click on Register Now button. Then provide your personal details as per your passport or official documents. You need to enter your first name, last name, email address. Then select your country of citizenship and country of residence. Then you need to provide information about your education level and also select field of your work experience. Here you need to upload your current CV. For those confused about the CV format, they've even given you a template which you can use. So you can enter in all your educational and work details in the ready template. You can also provide your LinkedIn URL here. Then provide information about English or French language test you've taken. Kindly know that taking a language test is not a compulsion for your work permit, but you will need it later when you apply for your PR. The good news is that Newfoundland and Labrador needs a low language test score, CLB or NCLC 4 or 5, to be eligible. Next, you just have to enter in if you have any questions about living in Newfoundland and Labrador and what you are expecting from this job fair and what you would like to gain from it. Next, tick here, I am not a robot, and click Submit, and you are all done. Next, you will receive all the necessary updates on your email. That's all about the virtual job fairs. For more immigration and travel depth, please consider subscribing to this channel. I always try to bring videos which could help you and help you learn and be independent. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well. I wish you the good luck for your application and hope you have a great day.